Yalla.
Okay.
Film, okay?
Slipper you can leave in here.
Alright, slippers here.
I will.
Film it, okay? Properly you
Yeah,
film.
sir, boys,
You
sir.
film. You.
This is behind us. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you want to take a photo of us? Yeah, take a photo of us. Come.
In the behind us work.
What?
Behind us work.
No, with it.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Both of you jump. Ready, 1, 2.
No, it's fine.
I don't want to sit in the back.
I want to show you guys something. Come here. I'm gonna show them some magic. I showed it to you yesterday. Look at this. Come. Mama, look at this. No. Look. When it gets wet, a design comes.
Sitting here, one here.
One here, one there.
Yeah.
Which one is more fun?
Belan, depan here.
No, okay, I'll go sit there.
No.
Whoa.
Jump.
Jump? Yeah? And legs out or in? Okay, you can do this. Papa, film. Papa, you film. Film nicely. Look, Tasha. Tasha, tell me if you want me to slow down. I'm going to tell him to go fast, okay? Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Nice shot, Navi. I did it, bro. Don't be a bitch. Well, I mean, I guess you have to sit at the back so that it doesn't topple over. Right? Because if all the weight's at the front, then the back could lift and we could fall straight. Face front. Bye. Hold her like this. Hold her like this. I feel like it's more secure. Don't fall off. Hold tight. I swear this is a better way to hold. I honestly have no idea what to expect. Yes, sir. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, buddy! Yes, sir! You good? We good? We good. You're good. For sure, don't be a bitch, bro. Go faster, man. Woo! Bro, let him take us fast, man. They should have easily, they could have easily come. Thank you. It was very good. You guys could have easily come. Easily. It was so fun. Thank you for the recommendation. Nice to have you.
Okay.
Thank you. Go, jump. That's okay. That was good. It was very good. Easily, you guys could have come. It was so fun. Not at all. He could have gone much faster, actually.
No, I don't think so.
I swear he could have.
He can only do that. No, that thing's like broken now.
It's not this thing.
And feels very stable. It doesn't feel like it's gonna flip or anything. Yeah. It was good.
Yeah, no,
That was pretty fast, right? If you wanna mess up your hair a bit.
Mess up my head. Salt.
Yes, sir.
Can you do
I got you. You're even stronger than me, bitch.
You don't need to be strong.
Yeah? That's why you lost, right?
These people were like 10 kgs lighter than me.
Just in the water.
They trained.
Just in the water. So that all the sand goes off. I can get up after. Yeah, I did. I just screamed.
It's not coming out, man.
What?
The sand.
This is normal water. Just make sure you get the sand off you, off your body. Important. Fair enough. Bro, the beaches in Mexico was the best beach I've ever seen in my life yet. Till now. Best beach ever. Mexico is absolutely amazing. When you come to Vancouver, I mean not Vancouver, when you come, if you go to the US, we will go to Mexico together.
No.
What do you mean?
Why would we go there?
Because it's super cool. How, no, it's actually really safe. You know I've been, right?
Yeah.
That's right, it's amazing.
Don't you get like attacked?
Huh? No,
Get like attacked?
we're all good. It's